Hi kids, welcome back to Color by Mood. Today we are going to learn ABC. You see, we have a capital A and we will going to write small a here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Yes, we will write ABC. The small ABC. Look, capital A is already here. We are going to write small a. So let's start writing. Before starting, we are going to learn some colors. This is pink color. This is yellow color. This is orange color. This is red color. This is purple color. And this is blue color. And we are going to use this green color. So we are going to start with pink color. So we are going to write small a here. Small a in two lines. Yes, capital A, small a. Now write B, small b. Just we got straight line. And here is a tummy. This is small b. Capital B, small b. Let's write small c. A, B, C. Small c, very nice. Now, which comes next? D, letter D. A, B, C, D. Very nice. A, B, C, D. After D, which letter will come? Letter E. Very nice. A, B, C, D, E, F. Very nice. Letter F. Very good. After F, which letter will come? Yes, letter G. Letter G we are writing with yellow color. G, small g. Very nice. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. After G, which letter will come? Yes, letter H. Very nice. G, H. After H, which letter? Yes, letter I. Capital I, small I. Very nice. G, H, I, and J. Very nice. Write small j here. G, H, I, J. After J, which letter will come? Yes, letter K. Very nice. G, H, I, J, K. After K, which letter will come? Yes, letter L. Capital L and small l. Very nice. After L, which letter will come? Yes, letter M. Letter M we are writing with orange color. Small letter M. Very nice. Capital M and small m. G, H, I, J, K, L, M. After M, which letter will come? Yes, letter N. Very nice. M, N. After N, which letter? Yes, letter O. Very good. Capital O, small o. Very nice. After O, which letter will come? Yes, small letter P. Capital P, small p. M, N, O, P. Very nice. After P, which letter? Yes, letter Q. Small letter Q. Very nice. Capital Q, small q. M, N, O, P, Q. After Q, which letter will come? Yes, letter R. Very nice. Capital R and small r. After R, which letter will come here? Yes, letter S. Letter S we are writing with green color. Small letter S. Very nice. Capital S, small s. M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. After S, which letter will come? Yes, letter T. Small letter T. Capital letter T. Very nice. This is capital T and this is small t. S, T. After T, which letter? Yes, letter U. Small letter U. Capital U, small u. S, T, U. After U, which letter will come? Yes, letter V. Very nice. Capital V and small v. S, T, U, V. After V, which letter will come? Yes, letter W. Small letter W and capital letter W. Very nice. S, T, U, V, W. After W, X. Very nice. Small letter X. Capital letter X, small letter x. Very nice. After X, which letter will come here? Yes, letter Y. Letter Y we will write with purple color. Small letter Y. Capital letter Y, small letter y. Very nice. After Y, which letter will come? Yes, letter Z. Very nice. Small letter Z and capital letter Z. Very good. You did all the ABC. Yes, we have done capital A and small a. We done all the ABC. Let's repeat it again. A, B, C, D. Read with me. E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Very nice. Let's repeat the color name. This is pink color. This is yellow color. This is orange color. This is green color. And this is purple color. Very nice. You learn all the ABC, capital ABC and small ABC. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Follow for the more. Bye-bye.